What? Tell me a joke.
No.
Yeah. No, she went to the swim meet.
A, B, and C. They're like, oh, let's go break dance. So they went to the gym and they're all break dancing. And then A's all like, oh, let's go get some vegetables. So they all went to the store. A went inside the vegetable aisle looking for some vegetables. And then B and C stayed back, and B's like, oh, my shoe's untied. So he started tying his shoes, and then C's like, I forgot my car at home. C ran all the way home and got his car and drove back. And by the time C got back inside, B just finished tying his shoe. And then B realized that his other shoe was untied. So he started tying his other shoe. He's like, oh shit, I forgot my car outside. So they drove inside the C got his car and drove it inside the store. And then A came back about the vegetables, and they were all like, let's get some Sour Patch Kids.
That is so retarded. That is the lamest joke ever.
That's so freaking stupid.
Oh my god, you need to
Lamest joke ever. Give it this. Casey, she laughs for no reason. Skylar's talking earlier.
Good guy.
I got that. My bad.
Okay.
Is that the end of your joke?
That was my joke.
A, B, and C. A, B, and C. All retarded. There's no point to the joke. It's just watching you guys go like this.
Watch this video on
For the
YouTube.
joke.
No.
Okay, turn over.
Wait, ask him why not.
Why not?
Why not? Hi, Jay. This is the aftermath of the joke.
A, B, and C. Let's get some. I don't even know. My friend told me that question. I was all like this.
And something fell. Okay, say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, Jay.